Hello, in this video I will talk on the Swing GUI. So first of all, we create a frame. So we say JFrame, and it is imported in here, JFrame. And let's create an object of the JFrame, and I name it frame, new, and then JFrame. So there are several constructors. Let me use this one first, default constructor. And if I run this program, it doesn't display anything because you need to make a frame visible. So we say frame set visible, and we say true. Okay, so if I run this program, so let me run this. Okay, so it is displayed on the top left corner. So if I close it, so let me just close it. Actually, the program is still running in the background. So I need to stop it this way, okay? It is because we need to set, okay, so here I say frame set default close operation, okay? And then there are some constants. They are inside of the JFrame class. So we use this one, exit on close. Okay, and also let me do this. And normally we keep the set visible as the last item. Okay, so here we say frame and set size. I use this one. So first two parameters, width and height. So let me select this, and let's say the width is 300, height is 200. Okay, now let's run the program. Okay, so it is here. So 300 by 200 pixels, and also let me show in here so the program is running. When I close this, okay, it is terminated. And now let's put a button. Okay, so here I say J button, and let me name this BTN, and new keyword J button. Okay, J button, and I will select this one. So we also put a string. So let me say hello. Okay, let me run this. Okay, so here we don't have anything inside of the frame. Just because I have button doesn't mean that it is displayed, because I have not put the button inside of the frame yet. So here I say frame and add component. J button is a component, so I select this one and I put button inside of the frame. Okay, now let me run the program. Okay, so it is here. So when I click on the button, nothing happens. Actually, this component generates an event, okay, but event goes nowhere. So in the event-driven programming, there is a component which generates the event, and event goes to a listener. We don't have any listener here yet. So here, let me right click here. Let's create a new class. Okay, and then I will name it, for example, listener hello. Okay, now listener hello. So here, class does not do anything. It is the methods It is the method which does something. So when we click on the button, we want a method here to do something. Okay. So for this one, to make this class a listener, we implement. Okay. So we say implements. So action listener. Okay, it implements the action listener interface, but action listener interface has one method. Okay, so here that is the action performed method. So let me just double click on this. Okay, so this method action performed. Um, so here you say whatever you want to do here. Let's say we want to display hello on the screen. System out println hello. Okay, so let me save it and let's go back to main method. So we put the button inside of the frame, but before we okay, so let me do this. So after we have the button, also I would like to create an object of the listener hello. So I say listener hello. So we need an object of this. Let me name it listener and new listener hello. Okay, so I create an object of this, but I need to associate listener and button together. Okay, so here I say button, okay, dot add action listener, okay, add action listener, and the parameter, actually let me show here. Okay, so the parameter is action listener, okay, and which is an interface. Here I can choose listener because listener is a action listener. Actually, I could also declare this as action listener interface. So I declare it as the interface, but I use the constructor of the listener hello, and then I pass it to here. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Let me run the program. So let me do this. Let me run it. Okay, so now let me click on this. Okay, it says hello. So click one more time. So it just displays that. And then let me just close this. I hope this is clear and have a nice day.